Now you are going to learn an action plan to reach a goal that I learned from Brian Tracy, which is summarized in 5 steps. Step number 1. Decide exactly what you want. The problem of many people who start learning English and don't succeed is that they don't know why they want to learn to speak English. Maybe they heard that it is good for their future, that they are going to meet interesting people, or simply because they have to learn it. Having clarity of what you want to achieve thanks to the English will make a huge difference to achieve it. An example will be that you want to learn to speak English to get a better job and increase your income. Step number 2. Write your goals and the importance of doing it on paper. Brian Tracy says that success begins with a pen, paper, and a few minutes of your time. Writing your goals on paper gives you the feeling that you are filling a contract that has to be fulfilled. It tells to your subconscious mind that what you are writing is important, so give it all the importance it deserves to write your goals on paper. Step number 3. Define a deadline to achieve your goals. When you are learning English, it is essential to set deadlines to reach specific objectives in English. Although we must remember that learning a language is not a definite goal that is going to be achieved on a specific day. It is something that we are going to be getting good at as we practice. This means that the deadlines that are set are going to be to reach certain levels of knowledge in English. For example, study a grammar book in 2 months, learn to introduce yourself to a person in English, read a book in English, or excel in a job interview in English. Step number 4. Make a list of everything that you will need to reach your goal. Learning English has a price. This price is paid with work, dedication, and discipline. If you used to spend your free time watching TV or playing video games all day, now you have to stop doing those kinds of activities and dedicate yourself to practice. But with all the things you are going to learn in this course, you will realize that there are ways to learn English doing the things you like to do. But something that is clear about learning a language is that it takes a lot of work and you have to be willing to endure it. Step number 5. Plan your time in an action plan. At this moment you have already defined your 10 most important goals and probably already know which are your 2 most important goals. Now we must return to the 80-20 concept, where these 2 goals are the ones that will give you the 80% of the results you want to obtain in life. Now you have to put most of your time into taking the necessary steps to make those 2 goals a reality. If one of those goals is to learn to speak English, everything comes down to focusing most of your time to practice English.